So I'm still trying to figure out what's going on with the royal raspberry and why it's not germinating. I've given them time and they're still not germinating. I don't know what's going on. I'm starting to think that it's probably the seeds. They are a little bit older seeds, but they're only a few years, but still. But anyways, they were free seeds and I won them a few years ago and they've been sitting around, so they sounded interesting. I thought I'd try and germinate them, but it's not happening. As if! But before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, I'd like to thank the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro, for all your growing needs. Tents, lights, ventilation, and smart apps to help you grow your garden from wherever you are. Okay, let's get into the video. Alright, in the Mars Hydro tent under the FC 3000. So, as you can see, still no growth. I'm really starting to believe it's the seeds. I tried germinating the paper towel method a week ago and still nothing. As you can see, no tap roots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try some newer seeds that I just got to see if they germinate. So what I'm going to try this time is Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue number 4. And I actually got them for next summer because they're supposed to be fast flowering seeds. Fast flowering strain. So I was going to use them for next year because if it's fast flowering, it's perfect for my short grow season. But we'll start them now. I'll take clones, and once we get them to pop, I'll take clones once they get big enough, and I'll keep them aside, and I'll keep them for next year. So, but this way it'll give me a chance to test run them and see how they're going to do. So I'll put these in a glass tonight and soak them overnight. From there, I'll most likely put them directly into the soil again, and we'll see what happens from there. Alright, let's go have a look at the Chemo Dream and see how they're doing. Alright, in the 2x2 under the TS1000, Chemo Dream Day 22 of flower. They are looking absolutely beautiful right now. Gave them a top feeding this week and they just loved it. As you can tell, they got super great color. Starting to stretch a bit now. I'm pretty sure we're still going to be good. We're going to be good for room. Starting to stack. And they're starting to smell good. Got a nice skunky smell going on. It's really strong. So I may do one more cleanup this week, just to make sure that the bud sites are cleared and they're getting light. And we'll clean up any left stuff on the bottom that may come off that isn't going to do anything. Depending on how much they stretch, I might have to move that fan up a bit. Alright, that's it for this tent. Let's go check out the Pink Kush and the Queen's Cookies. Alright, Pink Kush. Starting to put on a little bit of size now. Still has good color. She's coming along. I'm thinking as she gets a little bit bigger, I'm thinking about transplanting her and giving the roots a little bit more room to grow. Soon we'll be taking cuts from the Pink Kush and we'll be going again. Queen's Cookies, day 33. And they're getting bigger, but it just looks like they're lagging a bit behind. I don't know what's going on. I gave them a top feed this week as well, and they seem to have responded very well. They're getting taller. They're just, I don't know. As you get closer, it looks like, to me, it looks like they're starting to get ready to flower. So I think we're going into pre-flower already. So again, here goes my luck with autos. I always have such bad luck. I have them herm on me. I have them just flower within 2-3 weeks, and they're already flowering on me. And anyways, you can see the pistils developing, starting to develop a little bit. I don't know. I'm really debating on growing them anymore. Maybe I might try a different breeder. I'll see. I have decisions to make.
You have to make the tough decisions sometimes.
Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.